How to increase search impression is one of the recent query I got it. So let's move on to the query. We already have a search impression around 40%, and we have great leads coming in. But the client wanted to increase the search impression and wants to dominate in the market, as well as auction inside. So I have feeling if we concentrate too much, is there a possibility that we'll see a drop in leads, and how to increase impression share? Okay, so first of all, I'm going to answer your last part, how to increase impression share, and I'm going to show you for those who don't know what it is. So if I move on to the this is one of the Google Ads account. Okay, what I'm going to do is over here is I'm going to move back over here, and in this campaign settings you may see around over here, this is valid for any campaigns who want to see. You may see around there is the bidding strategy, and if you look around in the bidding strategy, you can simply select the change bidding strategy and look around for impression share over here, and this is an impression share bidding strategy through which you can increase your impression share. If you want to, for instance, come on top of result page and you want to attain 70% of impression share of whatever the query is searching and versus your competitor, and if you exactly want to know who are your competitors and where you want to win from your competitors, you have to learn for auction insights on your account. Search for auction insights on your account, look around for this, and you may see around over here, these are your competitors who are gaining shares. You can see 15% for you and other are less than 10%. So if you this is how you can increase your impression share by selecting in the bidding strategy. Now the question is that you want to dominate the market, and okay, and do you have a feeling that if you consider too much, we will see drop in leads? So that exactly depends on where you are targeting or where you are running. If you do you want to show on the top of the account or anywhere, but I think there is no harm in running, and increasing impression share may increase sales. For some clients, we have seen good results after increasing search impression share, but for some, we don't. But the majority got increase in their impression share, which is why it's a very good strategy. I recommend increasing search impression share. If you want to dominate the market, it's a very good, but you have to give some time, for adjustment. We may be increasing biddings, budgets, and it may take some time to adjust. And also, please do a pattern understanding of the days. For instance, I have seen for majority of the clients, the last days, get sales wise slightly down. Maybe people are tight on budget, and on the starting days you get good sales. You get good sales on Monday to Friday, poor sales on weekends. So this is our general rules. If there are any local events, these are also to be noted while strategy creating a strategy, or seeing the strategy performance. So these are the things I want to tell you, and I hope I was able to explain a quick guide on how to increase the search impression share, and will it work well or not. Thank you for watching. And if anyone is a professional Google Ads management service, we are a professional Google Ads partner company. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.